Chasing down a dark hall, I'll grab my light and go with you. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. Surrounded up against the wall, I'll shred them all and go with you. When choices end, you must defend. I'll grab my bag and go with you. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. Comes a day, people posting up at the end of your driveway. They're calling for your head and they're calling for your name. Oh, I'm coming through. And they know I was wrong with you. If the haters don't know, I'm going with you. Even outside, yeah. If you find yourself in a lion's den, I'll jump right in and pull my pin and go with you. I'll 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 go with you. My God, I'll go with you.
Rock 105.3 with 21 Pilots and My Blood. And, you know, we love Muse. You love Muse. So together we're going to love Muse. Well, together. The show is going to give you a chance to meet Muse, get a signed guitar, and experience their mixed reality pre-show party, all powered by Microsoft. Starting on Monday and every day all next week, listen in the 6 a.m. hour for the show's Muse Music Montage. Easier to listen to than it is to say. When you hear the Muse Music Montage, if you're the 15th caller and can correctly identify all of the songs, you will win tickets to the show and be qualified for the Mega Muse Grand Prize. Learn more at rock1053.com.
San Diego's rock station, Rock 105.3.
National City 805 South. It was right before the 54 where the wreck clearing. Traffic was slow from Sorrento Valley Boulevard. It was also slow in Chula Vista. They're wrapping up that wreck on the 805. It was south right before Olympic Parkway. It's been slow from L Street, and stop-and-go traffic continues on the 5 north as you leave Poinsettia Lane up towards Oceanside Boulevard. I'm Chris Payne with your San Diego traffic.
This report is sponsored by the Chula Vista Auto Park.
Find top-selling brands like Toyota, Honda, Ford, Kia, and Nissan at their winter sales event. If you don't shop the Chula Vista Auto Park before you buy, you might pay too much.
Easy drive, right off the 805. Chula Vista Auto Park.
Stop by O'Reilly Auto Parts today and pick up 5 quarts of Mobil 1 full synthetic motor oil for $28.95. Plus, get a $10 O'Reilly Auto Parts gift card after mail-in rebate and earn double O rewards points with your purchase. Protect your engine with Mobil 1 full synthetic motor oil at O'Reilly Auto Parts. Better parts, better prices every day. Limit supplies. See store for details.
Thanks so much for dinner. It was great.
Of course, anytime.
Hang on a second. I'm gonna go bring a cig real quick.
Oh, wait. I didn't know you were a smoker. Are you?
What? No, I'm not. I mean, I only smoke on the weekends.
It's Tuesday, dude. Not even the middle of the week.
Social smoking hurts more than you think. Just one cigarette a day can triple your chance of cancer. Learn more at neverjustasmoke.org.
Your teenage daughter parks the car, walks quietly into the house, and says,
We really need to talk.
"The car? She looks okay, but did she wreck the car? How am I going to get to work if..."
Mom, Dad, we need to talk about really great auto loans.